Good evening. Here we are again, All Season Adventures. You can tell, got the truck all ready to go camping. This here is a whole bunch of leftover pallet wood that we got left over from building our floor and our little bit of side walls. There we got the whole side wall. But we got a whole bunch of stuff to burn. Gotta say it is a little bit shitty weather. It's raining, so I'm not sure if it's going to be a fun-packed episode or not. Unfortunately, we still don't have a receiver underneath, but I did order one this past weekend, so hopefully it gets in time for next weekend, because like I'm sure you guys already know, the goal is we want to have the KLR on the back of this beast, and then go camp somewhere and offload the KLR and do some KLR camping, because I'm not gonna lie, I do miss KLR camping, so hopefully can bring that soon. But as I told you guys earlier before, if you guys watch my channel, going on my course, on my vehicle tech mechanics course at the end of this month, where I'm going to be quarantined to camp, so I won't be able to leave. So I try to make this here truck as self-sufficient as it can be, so that's why we keep camping out of it and finding out what we need to load for when the time comes. But anyhow, one other surprise, we got some company coming with us this time. So anyhow, let me go get them and I'll be right back. Cheers. So we had a little camping buddy. Hey Gizmo, ready to go camping? It's been a while, hey little dude? He's been bugging to go camping for the last little while, so he's got a little raincoat on and everything, so he's well prepared. So anyhow, without further ado, let's go ride out. Cheers. Well, I think that'll make a pretty cool camp spot. Little scary cabin. Hear the water stream running. So yeah, I'll give you guys a, not sure if you guys remember, I have came here before. I never camped here yet, but I've driven by here with the KLR and the CRF before. But anyhow, there was a log blocking the road up here, so let's go put that back in place. Hold on a second and I'll show you guys a little tour inside the cabin. Cheers. Ooh, I say it might be raining, but it is warm. Let's strip down a little bit. But anyhow, let's check out this cabin. I know it does look a little bit messy in there, but they kind of got her locked for some reason or another. So, you know, we'll see. Then we don't do any damage to property, so we'll let her be, and maybe next time. But anyhow, guess time to have supper. I have a fire before too long. Then some video game. Walk the teddy bear. Like I say, not gonna be a crazy night. Hopefully next week we got the KLR. So anyhow, and we'll probably, never know. End of this video may turn into like a bit of Tinkering Thursdays, so might show you some progress on the truck house, how that's coming along. Maybe this weekend we'll film a little bit of that. So anyhow, like that, we're gonna try to keep her around 10-15 minutes, so stay tuned, my friends. Look like he's getting a little bit dickered, so let's get him unstuck. good to go. If I'm gonna eat good tonight, Teddy Bear, he's gonna eat good tonight as well. Got him some of these. Not sure if he's had them before or not, but I think we'll enjoy it. Hey buddy, what do you got here? What's that? Well, you know, if we're eating good, you've got to eat good too. Good stuff, eh, bud? Battery could be starting to read a little bit too low. Have to put it to a load test tomorrow. And anyhow, about time to shut it down. So anyhow, that pretty much wraps up tonight's camping. I got a whole bunch of stuff on my tablet I can watch. You can see Teddy Bear, he's nice and cozy over there. Nice thing about this, like getting a bit of a feel as to where I want to try to put some stuff. Like you can see I got my gloves there. I was thinking maybe I might put a whole bunch of hooks in the ceiling. Be a nice spot to put some odd stuff like that so I can keep my counter dry. And then thinking for my underhood light, I like the idea of keeping that, but I'm thinking about trying to put a couple, maybe I put a couple anchors somewhere in the ceiling so that I can direct it wherever I want. Sunglasses over there. Probably put like a little table or something right here. A little corner, not necessarily a table, but a little corner for to put my sunglasses and my pocket knife and everyday carry. Hey buddy. Chair, that's the one advantage about taking my time with this thing and going camping like every single week. I kind of like the idea of my folding chair there, because that way someone can sit there. So I'm pretty sure I should be able to contour my inverter and battery just to fit right beside the chair, and might be onto something here. So I think that's the good thing about taking our time. So yeah, I figure I'll have my sink right there. I do have a little hand pump that I plan on putting on, so that'll be able to pump my water. And then here I'll probably put a couple doors that I can open up and access my good water and my gray water. So I think that'll be a nice little setup. So hopefully we get that done by the end of the episode, but if not, you guys know what the plans are that'll come up in the near future. So, anyhow, I'll probably see you guys. Oh, hey there, buddy. You want to tell the people good night? Hey. There you go. And yeah, see you guys in the morning. Cheers. Good morning. Here we are. Just taking the Teddy Bear for a little walk. I'm going to have breakfast this morning, but I think I'm just going to pack up, roll out, have breakfast at home, go to work, and then now I got a little bit of knowledge on what little improvements we want to do. So hopefully after work, or maybe not today, but tomorrow soon, we'll get some more work done, especially this weekend. So anyhow, at least we got a good idea now of what we want. So anyhow, I'll catch you guys in a bit. Cheers. Well, as you guys can probably tell, the back of the old Ford probably looks a little bit different than as you guys last saw as we were camping. We We ain't got no video footage from how we got here, but I'll show you a quick little picture montage how we got here, and then we'll wrap this video up. Cheers. Okay, so that shows how we kind of got here. I know I'm a bit slacking, but what can I say? I'm on a bit of a time crunch, so the effort in my videos are going to slowly be going down for a little bit, but I promise I will pick it up soon enough. I might actually start putting out videos every 2 or 3 weeks instead of every single weekend, because once I'm on course, I'm going to be trying to doing good, and like that. I'm going to keep on showing you guys progress on the truck house, that's for sure. But once it's complete, then I might dial that back a little bit. But anyhow, let me show you guys what I've done in the last this past weekend. First, the most obvious part is we got our sink here. So takes a few pumps to get going, but there we go. Get some water. And at some point I will have a drain hole and a pan on the bottom for my gray water. But for now, I can just show it out. That works. And then you guys can see we got this whole cabinet right now. These are not, there will be hinges, so these will lift up and we'll have different compartments. Like that, gotta start somewhere. And same with that one. And here, I remember I had mentioned about thinking about a chair. Found this little stool. This there, I find, yeah, this will be nice and comfy to just chill out, kick back and relax. I plan on putting my inverter and battery up here. Everything should fit, no issues. And same with my Xbox or PlayStation, whatever I want to carry. But anyhow, bit by bit, things are coming together. Oh yeah, a couple more things I want to show you. Hold on a second. There she is under there. I've just been looking at it, not mounted just yet, but by next camping trip, I plan on having that mounted so we can have the KLR on the back. So anyhow, that's about enough for today. That'll wrap up this video. So till next time, I gotta say again, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. And until next time, remember to live, everybody, and cheers.